Entrant, Cape Concrete Works. Project name, Contermanskloof 100 Litre Reservoir. Owner, Occupier, City of Cape Town. Project Managers, WSB. Engineer, Gibb. Main Contractor, CSV Construction. Sub-Contractor, Cape Concrete. Precast Manufacturer, Cape Concrete Works. 108 precast concrete I-beams, and 1,358 pre-tensioned hollow core slabs, were used in the construction of the 14,500 square meters roof of the new reservoir at Contermanskloof, Cape Town. (160.5 meter long, and 90.9 meter wide), the 100 million litre reservoir's maximum water depth is 8.5 meters. The roof's precast beam and hollow core slab assembly is supported by in-situ cast concrete columns on elastomeric bearing pads. The roof apex is on the longitudinal centerline, and slopes at 1 to 150 to the perimeter walling on either side for drainage. The first roof section was completed in August 2021 and the second was finalized in November 2021. The hollow core slabs are supported by the I-beams and the perimeter walling. The roof comprises 48 panel sections, which consist of 2 or 3 hollow core bays, with 11 hollow core slabs in each. The panel sections are interlinked with transverse in-situ beams, which run the full width of the structure. This creates larger panels and a more robust structure. Cast with a joint former between them, these beams also act as expansion joints. The roof includes a 70 mm mesh reinforced structural topping, cast over the panel sections, to ensure proper shear transfer between individual slabs. The topping's reinforcing was tied to the exposed reinforcing in the precast beams, which adds continuity to opposing hollow core bays in the panel sections, and increases the overall continuity of the roof structure. We looked at the comparative costing of precast versus in-situ for the roof construction during the design stage, and precasting proved to be a significantly better option, both in terms of cost, as well as total program time. In addition, it avoided the disruption that extensive support scaffolding would have caused, said the reservoir designer, Peter Loksha. Cape Concrete Director, Walter Botis, said the beams were pre-stressed and were cast on a single 75-meter soffit, between the stressing heads. This enabled 5 beams to be cast on one soffit at a rate of 1 a day. The roofing required 12,083 meter of pre-stressed hollow core slabs, and Cape Concrete used 4 150-meter casting beds for their production in a strictly controlled quality protocol. They were cast with 12.7 meter pre-stressed strands to yield a strength rating well above the required 50 MPa. The beams, which weighed 12,5 tons each, were installed with a 440-ton crane with a 65-meter reach. A 220-ton crane, and a 180-ton crane, were used for the installation of the hollow core slabs. During the installation of the first roof section, the cranes were positioned 17 meters away from the perimeter wall, which added to the complexity of the installation process.